They're eating chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Hey guys, today we're going to school, but we can't find our elf Henry, and we leave at 8:20, and right now it's 7:45, so we have like 40 more minutes left, just like 30 or something, I don't know, but we need to find him. Have you found him?
No.
Gosh, guys, I just found them. They're in our stockings. And Spike's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Henry's in mine, Bryson, and Cotton Balls and Stetsons, and Spike's and Lincoln's. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we have a new family member. Okay guys, now I'm back from school and they're still there. Yeah. They're still there. Hey Tegan, I'm back from school, Tegan. Tegan, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, Tegan. I'm pretty sure saying nothing means hi. It's food. Oh, it's all gone. Okay, guys. So, it's December 6th at like 6 o'clock at night. Okay, guys. It's December 6th. It's like 6 o'clock out, like 6 o'clock. But I'm the only one in the car. No one else is in here because my dad and Stetson went in there to sign up for wrestling. So Stetson's gonna be a sumo wrestler now. Wait, no. He's just gonna be a regular wrestler. Like, just a wrestler, not a sumo wrestler. So, yeah. I'm the only one in the car. Super. super lonely. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna play Among Us real quick, just to entertain you guys real quick. Look for one of these. I'm just gonna do this one right up here. Okay. I think I need to I wanna change my color. Wait. It's not letting me change my color. I forgot how to. Wait, why is my name called Gung Pip? I do not remember changing my name to Gung Pip. So, I actually have no idea why my name's Gung Pip. Look at my name right now. It's Gung Pip. I don't know why it's that. Okay, when's this gonna start? I want it to start really soon. Come on. Start! Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starting. Okay, shh. Oh, come on. I'm a crewmate. Wait. Engineer. Wait. What? What does that even mean? I don't remember. I haven't played this in like a super long time. Wait. I thought I wasn't an imposter. I thought I was a crewmate. I think it's why I haven't like played this like since January or something. It's already December. Okay. I need to look for somebody killing somebody. Where I can't find like anybody. Oh, okay, there's a person that's gonna run away from anybody I see. Wait, here's where oh, dead body reported. 2 people died. Wait, no, more than 2 people. Why did it say 2 people at first? I don't know who to vote. It doesn't say who to vote. Yeah, like somebody saying who. Wait, it's not letting me type. It's not letting me. Why is it not letting me type? I haven't played this for a super long time. I'm just gonna like guess somebody, but I don't know who. I don't know who to do. Come on. I'm just gonna do this Willax guy. I'm just guessing. Okay. I hope I'm right. Voting ends in 45 seconds. So, come on. Okay. Oh, no, it was a tie. Come on. Okay. So, that's how I'm gonna play. So, go back now. Guys, look at all the snow. Look at all of it. Now it's December 7th. Yeah, it's December 7th. Have you found them yet? Are they? Is that doll doing? Cracker, do you know where they are? No! Where do you think they are? Let's see. Did you already look in here, Stetsons? Yes. What?
What was talking about?
The heck?
Oh, he's right here.
Are they eating anything? They're not eating anything. Wait. They're eating chicken soup? Henry's eating chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup.